Hello and welcome everyone. Let's solve today's daily lead code problem. So we have this problem 2109 adding spaces to a string. Let's understand this problem clearly. What this problem suggests. So you have a zero indexed string. So you have a string zero indexed array spaces that describes the following indices in the original string where spaces will be added. Each spaces should be inserted before the character at the given index. For example, if you have this s equal to enjoy your coffee, the spaces should be added at the index of 5 and at the index of 9. So if you see like 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So 5 comes like the y, u, use y. So it will be like enjoy space u, 6, 7, 8, 9. So as the 9 comes over here coffee. So 9 says that the c before c it should be having a space. So this is the problem says that if I brief into it, so let's brief into it, like let's solve this problem, like understand this problem. So it has Leetcode lead code helps learn. I added already spaces. Learn help Leetcode helps me to learn. So this is a string. So we have an array of 8, 13, and 15. Let's so clear to clear this thing, let's add like 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19. So here it says like at the eight first index is at the eight first index is at the eight. So at the eight means like here there should be space. So it means like we have to make a lead code like that and with a space h, and then the next space is 13. At the 13th index means like here. So it helps a space and then the character. Then the next space is 15. Okay, like me 15 here. So me space lear and learn. So simple thing. So this is how we need to solve it. So to solve this problem, we need to focus on some logic like two pointer logic. This is a clearly suggested it's a two pointer logic. Okay, this is a two pointer logic. Two pointer problem is like, sorry, two pointer problem. Okay, what it says like I will start is in I, starting from this to till my n means like n is equal to s dot length. Okay, and wherever I see this 8 8 is in the array. Another thing is like another pointer j will be like 8 8 13 and 15, right? Okay, another pointer 8 13 and 15. So I will keep another pointer j over here. I will check like if my I and J is matching. No, it is not matching. I keep on incrementing until the I and J is I comes over here. It is matching. Then I will add a space and then I will encounter J towards the next string, next value. Okay. Then I will encounter this I is matching with 13. Yeah, if I is matching with 13, so I will encounter add a space and then encounter next index next J. So this is typically a two pointer solution. I am suggesting it. So let's code this problem. Okay, I had already written this code. Just let me clear this thing. Edge cases like if I can say spaces dot length. Okay, if that is equal to zero, if that is equal to zero, then I don't need to do anything. I just need to do what? Return the string. Now I have to add spaces. I have to add new string. I have to create new string. I cannot modify the string. Always remember you cannot modify the previous string because your string cannot be modified like that. So we have to create a new string. Okay. So then I will initialize few variable at n is equal to s dot length to know like it is at the length n, and then I will do for loop. Okay, before that I need a new string. Let ns is equal to maybe I will give new s, more meaningful, equal to a new string. Okay, I will do this thing. I will do for loop. Let I equal to 0, I less than n, and I plus plus, fine, it's a typical for loop. Now I will do let letter for more elegant way, for more easy way to explain it easy way. So I using s of I. Each character will be stored in this letter. Now if my I is matching with the spaces of j. Okay, I need another variable. Let j equal to that also initials of 0. J is that matching with my j, then I will do my new s. Okay, new s plus equal to with a space and then plus with the letter. Okay, else I will be do new s plus equal to letter. Fine. I will do one. I will add one more condition that and my j is less than my n. Sorry, less than my spaces dot length. Sorry, not n, spaces dot length. Okay, this is what I'm going to do. Because like if my j exit, like my j is coming out of this bond, like this string can be of 15 or maybe like how much it is 19, but this spaces is not about not of 19. So in any case my j is going out of bond. I want to stop that. I don't want to do that thing over there. I don't want to break my code. So that's the reason like I added j is less than spaces dot length. So that is like whenever my j is less than the spaces dot length, this then my spaces array, I can say return new s. If I run this thing, okay, I kept something wrong. Okay, how idiot I am. I didn't add j plus plus. Okay, I didn't add j plus plus. That's it. Now see, let's all test is completed. Let's submit it. Mm, voila, it's completed. But you can see it is completed. If you see the time complexity of it is like, you can say it's an of n, but this n matters. Okay, of n means like it's a linear solution. That's a very good, that's the optimized solution. But of n of what, of n is like my strings length, it will go till my 19. But if you see the closest thing, like I need to add spaces between this indexes. How much indexes are there? One, two, three. There are three indexes. So I should say like the for loop of n should run by of like three times only. Okay, not more than that. Why? Because this is, if I go till my beyond my 19, like if the string is like 100 indexes. Okay, you imagine the 100 indexes, then it will be like it will go till the 100th index. Okay, so that's the reason here in my solution it is saying that it's right over here. We have to stop. We have to see that the solution is like something 32.73, like it is still not optimized. Now for that we have to do think about from this array point of view. Instead of running the loop over the string, we have to run over the array. How can we do that? We have 8, 13, and 15. I will say like I will say on the eighth index we need to have that what we say space. So we have JavaScript object called JavaScript thing called substring. Okay, we use this substring and say like um, till my start to the first index, eighth index. It will be stored in an array, in a result array. There will be a result array. There we will store the index, there we will store the of 8. So what does that mean? Like of 8 means this is a whole entire lead code. Okay, this will be stored in the first index of our result. Okay, and then um and then the next substring will be like from next substring will be like from substring 8 to 13. Okay, 8 to 13, the next substring. So from 8 till 13 minutes, like this help will be stored in another result array. Okay, and then my next substring will be from 13 to 15. Okay, 13 to 15, that means like 13 to 15, like this string. will be stored in this array. So that means like here we can say me will be added over here. Here it will be like lead code, and here it will be helps. And remaining will be like remaining will be stored in the substring of in the last array like learn, and we just need to join with spaces. This is the most optimized solution. Okay, I will say, share the code of this solution in my description. I would suggest you, like, before going into that description, if you understood this logic, what you have to do, what you have to do with the substring logic is the most optimized solution. This is also of n, a space of complexity of n, space complexity of n, and time complexity of n. Okay, this is also of n, but this is more optimized. You see, we are not going entire string. We are just going the we are just going through the array. In each array we are creating a substring, and we are adding to the result array, and that result array is finally joined with spaces. So this solution I am going to add in my description. I would love you to write this code by your own. As I explained it, this is not a two pointer. I explained this thing to you. Just write this code on by in your if you understood this thing. Here there is little bit catch. Let's suppose there is I will explain that catch also. Like if you see spacing, okay, if you see spacing this string, if you see spacing, okay, let me write this clear. Spacing, spacing. So 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So the array is also 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 5, 6. Spaces are also like that. Okay, and it is saying like here in the output also like this it will be after the output is over. This is so here if you see like here if I want to do this thing, I have to check my the first index of this array is 0. If it is array of 0, I have to do what uh, I have to do, like if it is 0, I have to do like I will create another array res. Okay, in the res if it is 0, I will add blank space, and then I will go add my substring for that will be s, then my substring p, then my substring a, then my substring c, then my substring I, then my substring n, and then my substring g. You know that logic, substring 0 to 1, 1 to 2, 2 to 3, and then finally at the end it will be like over here. Okay, so this is the another hint I get given, like if my starting index the spaces is equal to 0, you have to add a blank array into the result, and then you have to join it. Okay, join with spaces, then only it will work. Okay, else if that is not there, then it will directly do like it will avoid the space. This will not be there. Okay, so I had explained the logic of the second solution. Okay, second solution, I will write this code on my description also. You can check on that. But before that, try by yourself, and just do it by yourself and just think like how it is done. And this is the most optimized solution for this problem. So that's all from this video. Thank you very much. Bye.